Hey there! Did you know that the CPA exam has gone through some significant changes? If you're not aware, do not worry. In today's video, we will take a closer look at the most recent modifications to the CPA examination. It is important to understand what these changes mean for your CPA exam preparation, so you can be better prepared to excel on the big day. So grab a seat, relax, and let's dive right into it. It's undergoing some exciting changes while keeping certain aspects intact. The new exam will follow a core plus discipline licensure model. As you may know, the CPA exam consists of 4 papers: FAR, AUD, REG, and BEC. The first 3 papers will be considered as the core papers with slight curriculum modification. However, the BEC paper will be replaced entirely, offering 3 discipline areas to choose from: tax compliance and planning, business analysis and reporting, and information systems and controls. So, that's the major change, the introduction of a discipline-specific section. But let's dive deeper into the redesigned CPA exam. It will still consist of 4 sections, including the 3 core sections and 1 discipline-specific section. The total exam duration remains at a maximum of 16 hours. Upon successfully passing the exam, you will earn your CPA designation. Now, the question arises, what should you choose? The newly structured CPA exam will be implemented in January of 2024. If you have recently registered for the CPA exam but haven't taken any papers yet, I recommend attempting the BEC section as soon as possible. By taking BEC before the exam changes, you will receive credits and won't be required to take a discipline-specific section in 2024. It's a strategic move to streamline your path to CPA success. But if you haven't planned to take the CPA exam this year and will be appearing under the new system, there is no need to worry. Remember, whether you take the exam under the new regime or not, it won't impact your market value. Simply having a CPA qualification is enough to gain a competitive advantage in the job market. So, don't stress over it too much. Focus on preparing well and utilizing the opportunities that come your way being a certified CPA. If you're unsure about which discipline areas to choose, don't stress about it at the moment. Follow your interest and choose the subject that you feel inclined towards. I hope this video has helped you understand the implications of these changes. If we missed anything, please let us know in the comments and I'll be sure to address it in our next video. See you there. So, if you like the video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more such videos.